Are you looking for the perfect ride that's as versatile as your lifestyle? Well, ladies and gentlemen, the Caddy. This is a 2016 Volkswagen Caddy.
It's a 2.0 TDI Trendline automatic. Your best friend in 4 wheels. This Caddy comes with a smooth automated dual clutch transmission and 6 gears that will make every drive feel like a breeze. With an impressive average fuel economy of just 6.3 liters per 100 kilometers, it's as easy on your wallet as it is on the road. And guess what? This gem is one of the lowest mileage Caddies on the market right now. Plus, it has full service history, so you know it's been well taken care of. For 319,950, you get all this and the reliability of a 2.0 litre diesel engine. It's one of only 6 automatic models currently available from 2015 to 2017, making it a very rare find.
So, are you ready to make your move? Come down to Dealer's Choice and take this Caddy for a spin. So, good deals don't wait. Neither should you.